Hi, independent GelMoment distributor Kim Foster here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I did my honeycomb nail. I used lemon merengue, Dovee, and clearly Frisky GelMoment polishes. To begin, I'm starting with a base coat of lemon merengue. I'm going to do 2 full coats. This is the first one, and of course I'll do a 45-second cure, which is a complete cure. And then this is my second coat of lemon merengue. Gives me a nice solid base. You may need 3 coats on your nails, just depending on what you like. And then another full cure. Next, I'm going to take Dovee and my medium striping brush, and I'm just going to start doing little dashes, kind of like the stitching on a football is a good way of describing it. Just going down the middle of the nail. And of course, I'm trying to center them, and I'm trying to make the dashes all about the same length. Once I've done that, I'm just going to do a quick 10-second flash cure. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to do the same thing, only I'm going to do it on the side, and I'm going to stagger the dashes. We're going to later connect these, and that's what's going to give us that honeycomb look. When you're done this, you could flash cure if you're not feeling super comfortable with your line work. I don't. I just continued on, but you could if you didn't want to wipe off the whole design if you make a mistake. So same thing on the other side, just alternating them. Once I'm happy with my lines, I'm going to then go back in and connect the 2 staggered side lines with my center lines, and I'm going to make a hexagon. So this is what's going to create our actual honeycomb shape. So you're just connecting with a greater than or a less than sign on either side, and you're making that nice hexagon shape as you go down. Once again, with all line work, just take it slow and steady. You can always go back and retrace after you've cured it, and that way you can make your lines a little bit thicker. And of course, I always carry my pattern off the nail because then it looks like it's actually completed. You want to make sure that even on the sides and at the top, you're doing the same thing. So you're kind of finishing it off. So it looks like the pattern will continue off the nail, and it's just the same thing, meeting the dashes at the center of each shape. Hope that makes sense. And then once again on the other side, and like I've said in the past, you can always flash cure if you're not comfortable or it takes you a lot longer to work and your polish is starting to run, then you can do a quick cure, and that'll help keep it all in the shape that you've built. Now that that's all completed and I'm pretty happy with it, I'm going to pop it under the lamp and I'm going to do a complete 45-second cure. You could use a 60-second cure lamp for GelMoment as well. That's fine. Lastly, I'm just going to top it all with a coat of Clearly Frisky. I do this just because I don't like to have bumpy nail art on my nails, and this just gives it a nice smooth finish. And of course, you would do a full 45-second cure. And that's our completed honeycomb nail. And this is how I incorporated it into my overall mani. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.